Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Kenmore SM2060, S200 series, steam mop. There are features include: clean and sanitize. Eliminate 99.99% of dirt and grime from your floors, safe cleaning for the whole family with the power of steam. Chemical-free clean, clean across sealed hardwood, vinyl, tile, and more without the worry of residue being left behind. Scrub brush, remove stuck-on messes in the shower or on tile. Machine washable microfiber pads, save money and make your cleaning routine more sustainable by washing and reusing microfiber pads. Lightweight and maneuverable, effortlessly glide around corners, tight spaces, and even under furniture with swivel steering. Customize your clean, choose from 2 levels of steam to tackle any cleaning job around your home. Quick steam activation, heats up quickly and is ready to use in just 15 seconds. Includes steam mop, 2 washable microfiber pads, and a measuring cup. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe. Recommend new products releases. Update all day YouTube channel to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.